We are at beautiful Marina Del Ray in Lombok, Indonesia, enjoying some R&R. But on the way from Kupang to here, we had a bit of an issue with our forestay. It kind of popped from the top. That is, it's broke. So today, this morning, Master Crew Jason's gone to the top of the mast to investigate, do a video, see what's going on. And then today we're going to be pulling down the forestay and determining how we're going to replace it and fix it and continue on our way. So this is what they mean when they say sailing is about fixing boats in exotic places. Here we are doing repairs to the forestay in beautiful Marina Del Ray in Lombok, Indonesia. What a magic day, magic location to fix a boat. Faithful assistant number one. Here we are at Giliasahan near Lombok in Indonesia, and I think I've found my island home. Out there behind me, Morningside could sit beautifully on a mooring, and then right here, a bit of a fixer-upper, but what a place this would be. Yahoo!